Hello everyone, once again welcome to the biology class. Students, in the last video we have discussed about the animal kingdom. In that phylum mollusca we have discussed. Students, as we have seen the mollusca soft body organisms where how their characteristics are going to be differentiate from the other phylums that we have discussed. Now in today's video we will discuss about one more phylum, that is phylum Echinodermata. Students, what are the important and special characteristics of this group? Let's see one by one. Echinodermata, the word Echinodermata is extracted from the Greek word echinus. Echinus means what here? Spines, and dermatos means what here? Skin. So moreover, these group of animals are commonly called as spiny skinned animals, students. Okay, spiny skinned animals, like how in the mollusca we have discussed soft body organisms. The same way here in these group of animals, all the Echinodermata are commonly called as what? Spiny skinned animals. Okay, let's see now. There are about 7,000 living species are present at present. Now they are alive, living. So 7,000 number of species of Echinodermata are present at living now, and 20,000 species are already extinct. Extinct, the animals which are eradicated from the earth. So these animals are 20,000 number of, near about 20,000 animals are being extinct from the earth. Now Jacob Klein in year of 1738 coined the term Echinodermata. The word Echinodermata was given by the scientist Jacob Klein in the year of 1738. Students, whenever all the scientists are giving the names of these particular phylums based on their morphological features, by their external characters, okay, same way Jacob Klein, by seeing its spiny skinned, that's reason it is been named as what? Echinodermata. But the Leucart in the year of 1847, he has established this phylum, means the number of characteristics, examples, everything is being explained by the scientist called as what here? Leucart. He is established the phylum Echinodermata. Now let's understand some more other important characteristics of this group of animals. Students, phylum Echinodermata is going to be considered as exclusively marine. Purely these group of animals are only going to found in water, that too in the marine water, students. Only they are going to be found in the ocean water, no other freshwater bodies like ponds, lakes, rivers, nowhere. They just found in the marine, and they are always non-parasitic or non-parasite. Basically what? They does not depends upon any of the host body. On their own they are going to get food from the surrounding, understood? So they need not to be depends upon any of the host organisms. Basically they are going to live in the bottom of sea, means these group of animals are going to be live under the sea water, means what you call deep under the sea. Okay, so they are going to be live under the bottom, as they are free swimming and some of them are sessile. Free swimmer means freely they can move from one place to another place in search of food, in search of mate, anything. Whereas sessile is nothing but these are the organisms which are basically going to attach to any of the substratum. So moreover they are going to be live by attaching to any of the substratum in the water, students. Moreover, common character, triploblastic, unsegmented and coelomate. So body can be having what? The three important germ layers, outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm and the endoderm, whereas unsegmented, no segments on the body surface can be seen, and they are going to have a coelom. Body cavity is present, mesoderm is lined to the gut wall as well as to the body wall. Okay, now one more important and peculiar characteristics of this group of animal is what here? This one. Radial symmetry at adult stage but bilateral symmetry at larva stage. Students, moreover this group of animals, phylum Echinodermata animals, are basically going to show indirect development where there is a larva stage is going to come. So during the larva stage they basically shows what? Bilateral symmetry. Body can be cut into two equal halves by only one plane, but when they become adult they will be showing what? Radial symmetry. The best example is what here? Starfish. So that can be cut into many planes. Okay, So that reason is going to be considered as what here? Radial symmetry at the adult stage, bilateral symmetry at the larva stage. This is very important and peculiar character for the phylum Echinodermata. They show organ level of organization. Moreover, body has been grown up in all the aspects. Organs are going to perform the specific functions of the body of an individual. In this group of animals, basically head is going to be absent, students. As in mollusca we have seen, head is there, visceral hump is there, foot is there. As here in this group of animals, basically head is going to be absent. If there is no head, then there is a with oral surface and a aboral surface. What is the meaning of oral and aboral surface, students? Here, oral surface indicates what? A mouth is going to be present on the ventral side. Aboral surface, the anus is going to be present at the dorsal side. So it is going to show the complete digestive system with the two separate openings. The one opening mouth which is going to be present on the ventral part, and the anus which is going to be present on the dorsal side. So in this way, what oral and aboral surfaces which is going to show, students. As I said, your digestive system is going to be complete with two separate openings. Mouth is there as well as anus is going to be present, whereas excretory system is going to be absent. So these are the group of animals which loses a specialized excretory organ, where they do not perform or they do not show the excretory organs, but they will be excreting their nitrogenous waste through the anus, no doubt, but specialized excretory organs do not found in these group of animals, students. Now sense organs are poorly developed. Moreover, these group of animals do not perform any of the sense organs. Understood? Their surrounding, whenever the body surface itself act as a sense organ which will get the sense from the surrounding. Moreover, any specialized sense organs like tentacles and all will not be present in these group of animals, students. So this is what about the some of the characters. Now here one more peculiar characteristic of this group of animal is what here? Water vascular system is going to be present. This is very important system, students, where it is been found in the Echinodermata only. As in the Porifera we have discussed, water transport system we have seen. Water transport system is different. Water transport system is what? Basically the water enters through the ostia, exits through the osculum, moreover, where at that time it is going to help in feeding purpose. Understood? Moreover, somewhat like structure we are going to see water vascular system. Vascular means what? Conducting. Moreover, inside the group of Echinodermata, the water throughout the body it will supply. It is like a blood. How does inside the human body blood flows? Blood vascular system we say. Likewise, inside the Echinodermata we find what? Water vascular system. So water is moving throughout the body. It is going to be supplied throughout the body. So this water vascular system is moreover going to help in what? Locomotion. Means by the water vascular system it can move from one place to another place. It will perform the respiration. The main exchange of gases is going to take place with the help of this water vascular system only. Apart from that, it is going to help in what? Excretion, as these group of animals do not perform any excretory organ. Specialized excretory organs are not there, but with the help of water vascular system it is performing its excretion process. Moreover, it is also helps in what? Feeding. Means it will catches the food from the water when the water when water enters into the Echinodermata body, students. As moreover, it is going to help in what? Locomotion, respiration, excretion, as well as in the feeding process. Okay. Moreover, apart from the water vascular system, what the locomotion was going on, even these Echinodermata are going to have a tube feet. Tube feet are there. As we have seen in the mollusca, there was a foot. Here we can say tube feet. So this is a body structure. With the help of this, what Echinodermata can move from one place to another place, students. Moreover, there is a endoskeleton is going to be present. Endoskeleton means what? Skeleton system is present inside the body, internally. Okay. So endoskeleton is made up of calcareous. Calcareous means what? Calcium carbonate. So its endoskeleton is moreover made up of calcium carbonate. That calcium carbonate forms what here? Ossicles. Ossicles is a skeleton system of the what we call Echinodermata we can say, or it is been also present in the form of calcareous plates. Now we have seen in the cockroach sclerites were there, calcareous plates there also we have seen, sclerites were there. Same way even in the Echinodermata also endoskeleton is going to be looks like a calcareous plates. Okay, and this complete body is going to show what you call bears the spines. As we have said, these group of animals are basically we have said what they are, the spiny skinned animals. What they are? Spiny skinned animals. So that's reason they even bear what here? Spines. Now what do you call here? Basically see, they all are unisexual, single sex. What do you call? We usually call them as what? Dioecious. Okay, so the word for unisexual we also use what here? Dioecious. Dioecious means single sex, unisexual, sexes are completely separate. The sexes are separate, obviously it is going to perform what? Sexual reproduction, fusion of male and female gamete is going to take place, whereas there is a external fertilization is going to take place. External fertilization where the fusion of male and female gamete taking place outside the body, students. So that's the reason it is going to be considered as what here? External fertilization. Moreover, they also show what here? Indirect development with larva stages. Moreover, they do not perform any of the direct development. All over the time they are going to show what here? Indirect development with larva stages. One more important characteristics of this group is what? Echinoderms have remarkable regeneration power. Remarkable regeneration power means what, students, here? Moreover, these group of animals are going to show basically what you can say, they have a process of regeneration. What exactly regeneration means? Suppose, students, if there is a starfish here, just I am drawing the simple diagram, don't do this thing. There is a starfish, students, here. Okay, suppose if this starfish is going to be basically, okay, if it is cut into two equal parts, okay, its body looks like this now. Okay, it will look like this. Half of the body is not there, so half of the body it will regrow. So this regrowth of the body structure is considered as what here? Regeneration. So moreover, phylum Echinodermata have a powerful regeneration process. It is a type of asexual reproduction. Moreover, sometimes it also performs the asexual type of reproduction by regeneration. So if it body cut into many parts, each part regrow its what we call lost part, as we have seen in the process of planaria. Platyhelminthes animals were also showing what? The regeneration process. Likewise here also we can see the Echinodermata can show regeneration process. Okay, one more important thing regarding about the Echinodermata is what? The Echinodermata are the final invertebrates, final non-chordates we say. It is the last non-chordata group, students. Understood? So moreover, they are going to be invertebrates, shows different types of characteristics. Now finally we go for the examples here. Examples like what here? Sea cucumber, where it is scientifically named as what? Holothoroidea. Brittle star, it looks like a starfish only, but it is going to have many number of spines. Ophiuroidea. Okay, next sea urchin, Echinoidea, and starfish, Asteroidea. Asteroids you have seen like that, starfish, Asteroidea. So in this way what? The different types of characteristics we have seen of the phylum Echinodermata. Students, I hope you all understood the concept regarding about the phylum Echinodermata. Please, if you like my videos, hit the like button. Thank you one and all.